this is candy. I am making candy. You can call it peanut cluster, pecan clusters. You can put any type of nuts and stuff that you want in here. Alright, so what I have here is my caramel, okay? If you guys go, the only thing you do is put it in the crock pot, put some water in it. Just make sure that the water is filled over the lid here, and you cook it. You can put it on 8 hours. Yeah, I think 8 hours. And then once it's done, you have caramel. And that's how you make caramel. So like I said, I've seen people take caramel candy and unwrap them and do all that. That's all you got to do is just take this. Condensed milk. That's all this is. And anytime you want candy, you have some. And this spatula is not getting it out good at all. Okay. Alright, let me get another spatula to clean that up. So, now what I do differently from what I've seen everybody else do, you know, I'm different. I add a pinch of salt. I do mean just a pinch. That enhances the flavor. I add a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of butter. And that's probably about, I'll say maybe about a teaspoon and a half of my vanilla extract. So now you want to stir this. Just keep stirring it. It's just it's not exactly warm, but you want your butter to melt. There we go, it's melting. Now, while I did that, I taken my pecans, diamond pecans. I chopped some of them up, okay, and I put them in the oven for about 3 minutes. Don't let it go 4, because if you do, they're burnt. If you start smelling them, they're good. Take them out. So sometimes you got to help this butter to melt. Now basically use that whole bag, which is 16 ounces. Well, yeah. It's a pound. You don't have to put all these pecans in here if you don't want to. You don't have to. Now you're just going to mix it. Now I will put these on a parchment paper and let them cool down some before I start to dip them in the chocolate. I know I'm making a lot of noise, sorry. And this candy is messy, y'all. Please, trust me. It's messy. Alright. Okay, so now that that's stirred up, you want to get your 2 spoons, which I do, okay? And you just want to drop it on the parchment paper. The last time I made these, I used a big spoon, and they were huge. You should get at least, I don't know, out of this mixture, probably about 30. So you just want to put them on the parchment paper and let them cool down some before you can start dipping. It won't be solid. Let me tell you that right now. Because I put the butter and the vanilla extract. They won't be solid. So how easy was this? Okay, so I cut these in bars. It's the almond bark, and you can use as much as you want. So the only thing I did was taking my big knife and just go down and just, you know, go that way, go that way, go that way, and go that way. So we have some left over, so don't throw away the chocolate that you have left over. So I'm just gonna put maybe, we're gonna try this first. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Mojay is gonna put it in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes until it melts. Mojay put this in the microwave for how many minutes?
3.5.
3.5 minutes. So this is what you want it to look like. So I need to hurry up because this was set very quickly. Okay, so Miss Smarty Pants just told me a trick. And let me show you the trick. To get these off of here, you want to spray it with Pam. The top side and the bottom side. Because when I made it the last time, that's why I kept saying the candy was messy. So you want to drop it in there. Take your fork. I don't have a big enough fork either. Well, we're gonna make it do what it do. Just gonna put that over there. Well, guess what I just did? Put it on here. Hold on, guys. I made a mistake, guys. I used my spatula to pick up the candy. So put it in there. Okay. Take this spoon. I had to get a bigger spoon. Try to let it drain. As much as you can. And put it on a parchment paper in another pan. Do it again. Because I remember these won't set up because I put butter and vanilla extract in it. So they're not going to be hard at all. It's going to be very, very soft candy. Very soft. Do some more. Oh, and this actually made 30, guys. It made 30. So here are my turtles, pecan clusters. Like I said earlier, you can use whatever nuts you like to use, okay? Here we go. Here we go. It was easy to make. Another note that I've learned from Miss Smarty Pants is when you put melted chocolate and it's still kind of warm, Do not put your filling in there because it will melt the caramel and stuff. So yeah, I've learned something today. You guys know I'm not a baker.